Hello everyone, welcome to Stock Trader channel. In this video we will see the historical trends of US stock market indexes from 1920 to 2020. We try to present 100 years of history in an animated presentable way in just 5 minutes. Yes, 100 years in just 5 minutes. This video comprises of 1. Yearly 1920 to 2020 index data of S&P 500, NASDAQ and Dow Jones indexes. 2. Deep dive slow motion look of this 1920 to 2020 yearly data. 3. We further sliced 100 years of data into 4 times 25 years of data for easy understanding. Let's get into the video. Once again we welcome you to Stock Trader US channel. Most followed indexes in the United States are the S&P 500, Dow Jones Industrial Average, and Nasdaq Composite. Dow Jones Industrial Average is the index which tracks 30 large companies' performance in US. Dow Jones is one of the oldest index in US. Few companies part of this index are Apple, Boeing, the Coca-cola, IBM, Intel, Microsoft etc. Dow Jones Industrial Average rose around 350 times in 100 years from 1920 to 2020. However, there were some recessions and depressions stalling the bull run, but over long term from 72 points Dow Jones rallied to 25,000 points. Next index on our list is S&P 500. Standard & Poor's 500 is the index which tracks 500 large companies' performance in US. Few companies part of this index are Apple, Amazon, Berkshire Hathaway, Microsoft, Alphabet/Google etc. S&P 500 rallied around 120 times in 90 years from 1930 to 2020. Finally, Nasdaq Composite Index. Nasdaq Composite is heavily weighted towards information technology companies. The Nasdaq 100, whose components are a subset of the Nasdaq Composites, accounts for over 90% of the Nasdaq Composites movement. Few companies part of this index are Apple, Alphabet/Google, Amazon, Facebook, Tesla, Microsoft, Oracle etc. And Nasdaq rallied around 70 times in 50 years from 1972 to 2020. If you see the 25-year breakup between 1920 to 1945, Dow Jones profit is 168%. This is the worst period where economic was in deep depression. S&P 500 was started in 1928 only and Nasdaq was not there at that time. Between 1945 to 1970 Dow Jones profit is 334%, S&P profit is 430% and Nasdaq was not there at that time. Between 1970 to 1995 Dow Jones profit is 509%, S&P profit is 568% and Nasdaq profit is 686%. Between 1995 to 2020 Dow Jones profit is 396%, S&P profit is 394% and Nasdaq profit is 801%. If you notice, Dow Jones and S&P had given 3 to 4 times return over 25 years. Nasdaq had given stellar returns of 7 to 8 times in 25 years. Obviously entry and exit year matters. Hope this analysis will help to take informed decision. Thanks for watching Stock Trader channel. Please subscribe, like and share.